In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to change your child's privacy and online safety settings in Minecraft. Let's get started. Minecraft is great for kids, but features like multiplayer and chat can expose them to strangers, so parental controls are important. To get started, grab your phone or computer and go to account.xbox.com/settings, then sign in with your parent Microsoft account. Once you are in, choose your child's profile from the list. You'll see three tabs: privacy, Xbox and Windows 10 online safety, and message safety. Begin with the privacy tab, where you can control who your child can communicate with and what information they share. Make sure to hit submit when you are done. Next, go to Xbox and Windows 10 Online Safety tab, which is especially important for Minecraft multiplayer. Here you can block joining multiplayer games, creating or joining clubs, or adding friends. Again, submit your changes. Then open the Message Safety tab to filter inappropriate messages or automatically block offensive language. Once you submit these settings, you are done. Now, when your child signs into Minecraft with their account, all the safety settings you configured will automatically apply. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.